Yes. No! No, Henry! At least I had my party hat exclusive to the 1-year anniversary.
At least, although my friends died, at least I have a hat.
Okay, come on. Yes.
Okay.
All right, now jump to those branches. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. Jump. So if I fail, I won't feel bad about myself. All right. So now.
The other branch?
Okay, never mind. Go back to the second platform. So basically what you want to do is just like wall climb up like this. Like oh, like that, yeah. And eventually you'll get up.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, okay, now my turn. Let me go up. Don't fall. Don't. No.
Dang it.
Did you fall?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. Come on. Yes. No.
I made it.
Okay. Alright. Alright.
I'll wait for you.
Yeah. Come on. No.
Ape's gonna lay down now. Hi, Duke. Hello.
No. Why? Yes. I made it.
Now let's do the second way.
What is this? Hey, this was a fun video to make. I hope you like these non-animated videos. And if you would like more, just leave a comment or subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please, I need this.